Saturday, October 21st at 9 a.m. in Meadville, Tri-States Family Auction is having an auction, a consignment auction, and they got a really cool tractor here. They all have their ups and downs. This one in the pictures looks restored. You know, that can mean A to Z. It can mean nut and bolt restoration. It can mean a paint job. Let's go check it out. This will be the first on the channel that one has sold. Well, and there it is. I've never heard of them. Oh, triple states, not tri-states. Maybe I did say triple. I don't know. But anyways, that's the auction. You can bid all of this stuff. It is live and online. Oh, and they got golf carts. Good looking machines. Yep, maroon, blue, little kitty whalers, Sportsman 500, HL, Sportsman 570, Wildcat, Arctic Cat, there you go, Ghost, Polaris, and over there is a Cub Cadet Challenger 700. But this is why we came. International 4186 Turbo. And before I leave here, I will know if this is a nut and bolt restoration. I can tell you from first glance that answer is a unanimous yes. Firestones front and rear, 28L 26s, little combine tires on there, and I've never driven one. I've known a couple people that have. I believe Tom Kelly has a 4366. It's probably a little bit better version of this than this, even though it is a different series. These tractors did have their shortcomings. I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, this is going to have a 1486 transmission in it, but they had drop box issues. Transmission and drop boxes were always going out in these when people pulled and did heavy tillage. Good engines, I believe the 436 DT. Man, this thing looks clean. Chrome stack, again turbo. Attention to detail right here. We will be crawling up in it. And oh, we got the 3-point hitch. That's rare. Usually on these type of tractors you don't have it, and a lot of times you don't even have a PTO. That is 1,000. We got dual remotes. Yeah, this is going to be Cat 3. About 150 horse this thing's going to stroke at the PTO, and really nice skins. I mean, just call them 100% because that's about what they are. And this thing is a clean mamma jamma. The shortcomings, again, transmission on these, and you know, guys complained about them being a rough ride because of the short wheelbase. But you know, the reality is that you know, easy times make soft men. I'll tell you about a rough ride. Take a Farmall M across the first pass, freshly plowed ground with some 14-footers, and that's a rough ride. But let's climb up in this sucker. Regulators mount upper. Oh, this is no. Yeah, this is clean, man. This is a stunner. Somebody did this up right. Dynamite. No TAs on these, although rumor has it you can add them. There is the cavity to do so. I don't know about that, but I am gonna sit. Oh, the room is just nice in here. Twice as nice as lice. Got AC. I'm not going to assume it works or it doesn't based on the fact that the rest of the tractor looks just amazing and awesome. I'm going to go out on a limb and say it probably does. Ooh, this is a nice machine. The TAC is reading 1,876 hours. That may be switched out, although it does look in appearance to be original. Yeah, this is nice. Make no mistake about it. Yeah, I'll just walk around the front. Got the weights right here, secured tightly. Painted showroom new. Yeah, this fully restored. They're not, saying that it is, and then you get here and there's overspray on stuff and just goofiness going on. No, it's a nice machine. Again, rumor mill is rough ride and transmission issues, but I'm sure you could find a lot of people that have owned these over the years that didn't have any issues because they used them correctly. And they got some trailers here, a Champion road grader there, some pull type campers here, looks like an RV there, pull type tractor trailers, yeah, and trailers. This aluminum here, it's a cover so you don't get salt on your stuff. Yeah, this looks, I don't know, was that an 18-footer, 20-footer? Either. There you go. This can be a fast auction. I don't know if I counted 35 items. Now, maybe they have smalls hidden away somewhere. I don't know. I've done that before. I've showed up thinking, man, this is going to be quick, and then they got, 2 wagon loads of smalls that are 2 hours deep. But I don't think so. I think this is pretty clear and concise, and they have, some automobiles here that they're going to be auctioning off, but my word, even if you went about 2 minutes an item, a couple hours, they're done. That tractor's going to sell pretty early in the auction. And again, online. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road for my channel. I don't know, 20, 30,000 subscribers ago, they offered me the join button. And yesterday I activated it. And it says, make a video announcing it. Well, I ain't doing that. You want to join. You want to be part of the FF Club, join. And you'll have your own rockin' BA little icon in the live streams. That's my video. I'll see you at the results video. Boom. Tomorrow night.